Good morning, students. Today biology lesson number 4, molecular basis of inheritance. In that we are going to learn about the DNA replication. So this DNA replication is nothing but, you already know what is a DNA. DNA is nothing but deoxyribonucleic acid, and how this DNA replications done inside our body. So this DNA is जो भी present है, this DNA regulates and controls all the activities of our cells. हमारा बॉडी का अंदर कितना सेल्स प्रेजेंट है उतना सेल्स का पूरा एक्टिविटी इज कंट्रोल विद द हेल्प ऑफ द DNA molecule. So these DNA molecule do some of the functions. So what are the functions of the DNA? First function is a heterocatalytic function, and the next function is a autocatalytic function. So coming for the heterocatalytic function, hetero, the name itself indicates that it synthesizes other molecules. It synthesizes other molecules, like it needs RNA, और RNA synthesize कर सकता है और प्रोटीन को भी synthesize कर सकता है. But coming to the autocatalytic is nothing but it synthesizes itself. It needs a DNA molecule. That means the DNA it can replicate the DNA itself. New strands of DNA, copies of DNAs are prepared here. So this is about the heterocatalytic function. And hetero, that is nothing but it synthesizes the RNA and protein molecules, and autocatalytic is nothing but it synthesizes the DNA molecule. So now coming for the definition of DNA replication. DNA replication is nothing but the process by which the DNA duplicates itself. Nothing but a copy or identical copies are formed, same as the DNA which is transferred to the parents, to their offsprings. Next, coming to this replication, how it takes place inside the eukaryotes. So eukaryotes का अंदर कैसे replicate होता है, what is the ways or in which phase it starts to replicate. So in eukaryotes the replication starts during the cell cycle, when the cell is going to divide. So in that phase, during the cell cycle, during the synthesis phase, S phase का nothing but synthesis phase. In the synthesis phase, during the interphase, the DNA replication starts. So this is very important for 1 mark, or it may be important for the NEET also. So in which phase, they may ask, like in which phase the replication of DNA takes place. So you need to mention there interphase का अंदर replication DNA replicate, नहीं तो copies of DNA form हो सकता है. Now coming to the DNA कैसे replicate होता है, how it starts to replicate. So the DNA replicates through a process or a mode, or model is called as a semi-conservation mode और semi-conservative mode का तरफ से ये DNA replicate होता है. And it was first time identified by the scientists Watson and Crick. Based upon these scientists, based upon the anti-parallel and complementary nature of strand का ऊपर ने ये DNA replicate procedure they have created through the semi-conservative model. So what are the steps involved in the DNA replication? So the first step involved is activation of nucleotide. जो भी nucleotide है उनको activate करना है, like adenine, guanine, cytosine, thiamine. इन चारों न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स को एक्टिवेट करना है. दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकेंड स्टेप, इनिशिएशन पॉइंट, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट ऑरिजिन पॉइंट, कहाँ से, फ्रॉम वेयर इट हैज़ टू स्टार्ट द रेप्लिकेशन. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, एक DNA स्ट्रैंड्स का एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट where it starts to replicate, so that point is called as the origin of replication or initiation point. From there it starts to replicate. Now the double stranded third step is the unwinding of DNA. There is nothing but DNA, double stranded DNA को release, it starts to open up. Next, fourth step is a replicating fork. So एक बार open हो गई तो it forms in a Y-shaped manner. That particular point is called as a replicating fork. Next, fifth step, synthesis of new strand. ये replication fork का new strand synthesize शुरू होता है. And next step is a leading and lagging strand, and lagging strand. Next, eighth step is the formation of a daughter DNA molecule. So new daughter DNA molecules new daughter DNA strand is formed. This is about the replication of DNA.